Having mastered their own planet, mankind has thought about searching for life in other corners of the universe. In principle, scientists are interested in any form of living organisms living outside the Earth. Even the discovery of a planet inhabited by unicellulars will be a huge sensation. However, an even more pleasant event for Earthlings will be contact with intelligent beings. The great silence of the universe in recent years, the possible existence of alien life forms has been greatly tainted by various showmen, mystics, falsifiers, and outright lunatics. Today, a person speculating about extraterrestrials seems like a crank to those around him. However, has the problem of searching for extraterrestrial life and purely scientific background. Prominent scientists whose activities are related to natural and exact sciences many times thought about it. And some even tried to establish contact with our brothers in reason. The question of why extraterrestrial civilizations do not make contact appeared and still remains open. But what makes us so sure that someone must be trying to contact us? That's where another scientist comes into play, Frank Donald Drake. He, thinking about alien civilizations, created an equation. Thanks to this formula, it's possible to calculate how many intelligent civilizations might exist in the universe. The equation includes many terms and tries to take into account all the factors that can affect the number of potential interlocutors for the civilization of Earthlings. Armed with it, many people began to calculate. Since the expression itself has many parameters that change, depending on the point of view of the counting and scientific facts, the number of possible civilizations is constantly changing. Drake himself got a value of 1 from his own equation. At the moment, taking into account all the factors affecting the possibility of contact, the figure obtained from Drake's equation is approximately equal to 7. That is, there should be about 6 alien civilizations ready and able to contact the Earthlings. But so far, radio telescopes Earth has not received a single signal, which can be confidently called a manifestation of intelligent life. This phenomenon has received the name the Great Silence of the Universe. There are 3 most likely reasons for the silence of the universe. According to the first of them, mankind is the only intelligent civilization in the universe. There have never been any other beings with intelligence, nor will there be in the future. First of all, we would like to understand how we are better than other beings who have not received the right to live on the vast expanses of the universe. Secondly, the presence of a huge number of stars and potentially habitable planets near them is very large, so that according to the theory of probability of life originated on one of them. The third doubt is the abundance of stars exceeding the age of the sun and the presence of planets very similar to Earth. Most likely this hypothesis is not true, because there are many factors that contradict it. According to the second opinion, other life does exist in the universe, but for some reason it cannot reach the rate of reasonableness that is inherent in humanity. This option is possible, but we should not forget about evolution. Here we can also refer to the so-called Great Filter of Civilizations. This is a relatively young hypothesis, put forward in 1996. It was proposed by futurologist Robin Hanson. Based on the hypothesis of the Great Filter, civilizations in the universe appear, develop, but something prevents them from reaching the level necessary for contact, for example, with us. By the way, if the hypothesis is correct, no one can guarantee that the Great Filter for humanity is behind us. It may well still await us in the future. The Zoo hypothesis. It was proposed by astronomer John Ball. According to this view, Earth's civilization is not advanced enough for the truly intelligent civilizations of the cosmos to want to reach out. Many popularizers of science make an analogy with ants and humans. Ants are well organized. They have their own way of life and a primitive understanding of the world around them. However, no sane person would talk to an anthill and its inhabitants. This point of view is probably held by Neil deGrasse Tyson, as he has expressed it many times in public speeches and popular science programs. Indeed, who says we are truly intelligent? The intelligence of the smartest members of Earth may be substantially inferior to that of a being from an extraterrestrial civilization. And if we are of no interest, then no one will want to contact Earth. Whether any of these hypotheses is true is not yet clear. However, it is safe to say that science, looking for answers to questions related to extraterrestrial life, it is not only not boring, but very even entertaining. Also, we should not forget that there are still signals coming from the cosmos, which currently cannot be explained by natural causes. Scientists continue to search for possible sources of radio bursts and study various objects. Voyager program apparatuses launched into deep space carry on their board gold plates with information about the planet Earth and information about the culture of the Earthlings. The search for life continues, and it is not so important whether we will ever get an answer to the question, are we alone in the universe? More important is the process of searching, because it gives hope and pushes our own civilization to development. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about space.